In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and modify charts in Google Slides. Using charts effectively can greatly enhance the clarity and impact of your presentations. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to open Google Slides and navigate to the specific slide where you envision placing your chart. Consider the layout and how the chart will complement the surrounding content. Once you've selected your slide, it's time to insert your chart. To create a new chart directly within Google Slides, you'll need to head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on Insert, then hover over Chart. You'll see a menu that offers a selection of chart types, including bar, column, line, or pie. Think about which chart type will best represent your data before making your choice. For example, bar and column charts are great for comparing quantities, while line charts are excellent for showing trends over time. If your chart requires further customization, perhaps in data or design, it's easy to make those changes. Click on the three dots located in the upper right corner of the chart you've inserted and choose Open Source. This action opens the linked Google Sheet where you have the freedom to edit both the data itself and the stylistic elements of the chart. Maybe you need to add a few more data points or change the color scheme to better fit your presentation's theme. Make those adjustments in the Google Sheet, and once you're satisfied, return to Google Slides. There, you'll notice an Update button on the chart, which you'll want to click. This ensures that all your changes are seamlessly reflected in your presentation. Alternatively, if you already have a chart set up in Google Sheets that you'd like to use, you have the option to import it directly into your Google Slides presentation. Start by selecting the relevant slide. Once there, go to Insert, choose Chart, and then from Sheets. This will open a dialog box prompting you to select the correct Google Sheet containing your chart. After you've located your sheet, you'll be asked to choose the specific chart you'd like to import. A noteworthy feature here is the Link to Spreadsheet option. If keeping your chart dynamically linked to the original Google Sheet is something you foresee as beneficial, ensure that this option is checked before you proceed. This linkage allows for updates to be automatically available in your presentation whenever changes occur in the Google Sheet. Once you're all set, click Import to bring the chart into your slide. And there you have it. Whether you're creating a new chart or importing one, you can easily ensure your data is both visually appealing and informative, enhancing the overall quality of your presentation. Remember, should the data in your linked Google Sheet change, simply click the Update button in your slides presentation to keep everything current and accurate.